Here we will go to the milk soup that would be suitable for children. So here we will be first noting down the ingredients. That will be 1.5 pints of milk, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of Allinson fine wheat meal, 1.5 of sultanas, and sugar to taste. Next comes the cooking process, that runs for ingredients. First we have to boil 1 and 4 pints of milk. Add the sugar, and next we have to beat up the egg with the rest of the milk and mix the wheat milk smooth with it. We have to remember the wheat milk must be smoothened. And then after the adding the smoothened wheat meal, we have to stir this into the boiling milk and add the sultanas and let the soup simmer for 10 minutes. Then our milk soup suitable for children would be ready to serve. So please make this dish, and that would be very much suitable for children. Hope you will enjoy it. Thank you.